Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy A23 to an Android device. Begin by accessing Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on Samsung. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you can choose Not Now in this pop-up if you wish to, and close it by selecting OK. After that, you can finally choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung and Receive over here on an Android. Then tap on all of those dots from all of those categories to select all of your files that you wish to send. Then select Send next to Selected. It will take a long time though to transfer all of mine now, so I will go with only this one. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on an Android, tap on one of those options. Select Close this window and choose one of those two connection ways. You can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing while using or only this time and pointing this device's camera at the code. Or you can input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Now after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!